Hey guys, this is Rene. Welcome back for another video about the Fiverr project. So today I want to give you a very quick and short update. I will show you the account. Basically here you can see it already. I want to talk a little bit about the very first trading day, how everything's going, and then especially there's one thing we need to talk about, and it is the gold chart, because there was a problem, I want to say, with the expert advisor, or something I did not test carefully enough. So there are three trades open right now: GPS, dollar, USD, Japanese yen, and gold. And in my last videos I talked exactly I talked about which programs I use exactly and how the program looks like. You have the source code, you have everything. So at this point I think I don't need to explain why these three trades are open and opened by the range breakout expert advisor. There's just one thing that is a little bit special, I want to say, or something we need to talk about, and it is in this gold chart here. We can clearly see at the right side the first breakout today was a short breakout, and still the expert advisor did not open this short trade but instead opened a long position. And this is because if we have a look at the journal, we can see there was a problem because it failed to send the sell market order. And also the expert advisor tried to open 64 lots, 64.89 lots, which is a lot too much. And you can see now it opened only 0.65 lots. So it tried to open 100 times more lots than it should open. And first of all, this is the reason why the sell trade was not open. There was not enough margin for what the expert advisor wanted to do. And then now I want to explain why the expert advisor tried to open more lots than it should open. And this is something we have to figure out if we get back to the source code of the program, because it is the range breakout program that I also coded on the channel here. So if you missed this, watch the video and I will explain exactly how you can get this exact source code here. But I want to focus with you on the calculate lots function. And in this function we can see that we are working with the tick size and the tick value here to calculate the lot size then that we want to trade. The problem is just that the tick size and the tick value are requested from the server of the broker pretty much, or the broker feeds the data into the MetaTrader 5s that we can then use. So we are dependent on the data that we get pretty much. And usually this is all fine and it's not a problem. We get the correct tick size and the correct tick value. And normally also the tick value applies to one lot. So if we buy one lot, for example, of euro US dollar, this will give us the value of one tick, like the smallest price change in the chart, if we have one lot. For gold, unfortunately, it is a little bit different, because if we have a look at this, it will give us tick value and tick size both of 0.01. But this is not exactly correct, because this would mean that if we trade one lot of gold, then it would mean for every 0.01 price change we would have a profit or loss of 0.01. But unfortunately this is not correct, because the actual value is 100 times more. And for this reason we will have to check here. I just added this one simple line. I just check if the symbol is equal to XAUUSD, which is like the symbol for gold here in the MetaTrader 5. And if I see that this is the symbol, then I want to multiply the tick value with 100. And this will then fix the issue here that we have with gold. So that's the only one line that I changed here. And once I change this, then you can see the gold expert advisor, or the range breakout expert advisor, is now also working correctly in gold. And this is why the second breakout then was also traded, because somewhere in the meantime I fixed the code and then the second breakout was traded. So this is, you could say it is a mistake that I did. And I mean, of course it is a mistake. I could have tested this before, I just didn't do it. It was not professional, I would say. But also I am lucky today maybe, because this saved us from one loss. And also the second trade here, or the actual trade that we see in this account now, seems to be a very good trade. I mean, so far it is in profit by over 1 times the risk, which is great. So yeah, this could just be a lucky coincidence, which was the result from a mistake that I did. But still, I mean, I'm a very rational person, and today it might have been a win for me, but also on other days the market could have just fallen down here like a stone, and then it would have been a loss. So to me, these kind of small trading mistakes, of course it's not like 100% professional, but if you do mistakes like this 100 times, then 50 times you win, 50 times you lose. So in the end, it's as I always say, one single day is not really making the important difference, and that's why I'm usually pretty chill about it. But yeah, that's it. Also, you might have noticed that I set up a live stream for this very evaluation account, so you can always watch all of the trades live on my YouTube channel. The live stream is live already, and I plan to keep it on my channel until I either pass or fail the challenge. So that's the update for the Fiverr project, and I hope you like the insight. Just wanted to add this to keep the transparency at this very high level and show you really like every single step that I do. And here I felt like if I change the source code, I should let you know. Subscribe to the channel to not miss out anything about the challenge. And that's it for now. I will update you if there's something happening. Bye bye.